ASEANMACHINE membership benefits are here. 100 Thai baht equals 1 point, and the points are reset at the end of each year. Bronze member, enjoy 1 free on-site machinery inspection service. Silver member, receive a voucher worth 10,000 Thai baht for on-site repair services. Gold member, receive a voucher worth 20,000 Thai baht for on-site repair services, and enjoy a 9.5% discount on machine consumables and cutting tools. Platinum member, enjoy 1 free on-site mechanical repair service, and receive a 10% discount on machine consumables and cutting tools. How to become a member and enjoy the benefits? Search for our website and find us. To enter the registration page and complete your registration to enjoy member benefits. For more product information, please visit our website or give us a call.